Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting photo files into a single folder and verifying file types. Once done, open Excel and create a new workbook. Enable Power Query or the Data tab tools. You will choose whether to import file paths, thumbnails, or embed images directly, because each method affects file size and speed. Make sure to note the folder path and file name pattern. This helps Excel locate images automatically. Now start the import process using Get Data or a folder query to pull file records. You'll next use Get Data from File from Folder to produce a table of files. Once Power Query shows the list, filter unwanted files and extract file name, date, or metadata using built-in transforms. You can add a custom column that uses the binary content to create thumbnails or to prepare a path for formulas. Make sure to change data types and remove unnecessary columns. This reduces clutter. After shaping, load to a table or connection, and decide embed versus linked workflow for performance reasons. You finish by loading the transformed query into an Excel table and placing images. Use image in Excel 365 for link displays, or run a short VBA routine to insert pictures for older versions. Once images appear, adjust row height and column width and save your workbook. Use macro-enabled format if you use scripts. If something fails, check the folder path, file permissions, and that files aren't blocked. Also verify refresh settings and total workbook size to avoid slow performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.